Hello, good morning, my dear students. Hope you all guys are well, taking maximum advantage of these virtual classes. Okay. See, up to now we have successfully completed lesson number 1 and 2, and lesson number 3 is almost going to finish by today. Okay, is about to finish today because the last part is only remain of this chapter. Let me recapitulate all this part which we have seen in this lesson. Okay, as the name itself indicate, animals and their young ones. So while discussing animals and their young ones, we have seen all the living things reproducing their own kind of feature like organisms. Okay, for their own kind, that is with the help of the process called reproduction. Okay, every living being is having the process of reproduction, and through reproduction they are producing more of their own kind. Okay, so as per the giving birth to the babies, we have seen that living things, there are two types. Okay, there are two types. One is egg-laying animals and second is mammals. Egg-laying animals used to lay eggs first, and from their eggs they used to hatch out their babies. And mammal are the animal which give direct birth to their babies. Okay, the mother parent used to give direct birth to their babies. So let us discuss in today's video what are mammals. Okay, so we'll see what are mammals. I told you mammals are the animals which give direct birth to their babies. Okay, human beings are the examples of mammals. Let me tell you. First of all, it is clear when I give you example of human being. Okay, we all took birth from our mother's stomach, right? We all come from your mother's body, our mother's body. So we all are mammals. Okay, animals that give birth to their young ones and suckle. Okay, the very important suckle, give birth and suckle. Suckle means feed on their own milk. Okay, suckle means feed young ones with their own milk is called suckle. Feed young ones with their own milk is called suckle. So animals that give birth to their young ones and suckle them with their own milk are called mammals. Simple definition of mammal: animals give birth to their young ones and suckle with their own milk. Two things are very important while we are defining the term mammal. Okay, when we are defining the term mammal, so two things are very important. Animals, those who give birth, direct birth, those who give birth to their young ones and suckle with their own milk are called mammals. And human being is the example of mammal. Dog, cat, cows, okay, monkeys, rabbit, elephant, okay, and many more. These are the examples of giraffe, lions, tiger, and human being is the example of mammal. Okay, they all are giving birth to their young ones and suckle with their own milk. A mother parent, a female parent used to suckle, used to provide her own milk for the growth of their child, growth of their young ones. So I hope the mammal term is very clear to you all. Okay, so these are mammals. The complete development of the baby. The complete development of the baby or of their young ones takes place inside the mother's stomach. Okay, the complete development of the young ones or the complete development of a baby is take place in the mother's stomach. Okay, in egg-laying animals it is not like that. After they comes out of the eggs, they develop into different kinds of their body structure. You all know the example of caterpillar, right? So here in mammal case, the entire development or the complete development of a young one is take place inside the mother's body or inside the mother's stomach. Okay, whatever you can, as per your convenience, you can take it. Okay, the mother feeds the young one with her own milk after they are born. Okay, so the mother used to feed with her own milk after they are born. Okay, the mammals have well developed brain. Let me tell you, mammals have well developed brain. Mammals have well developed brain rather than other animals. Okay, most of them have hair on their body. Most of the mammals have hair on their body. Okay, these are the features of mammals we can see. They have hair on their body. Most of the mammals have hair on their body. They have well developed brains, and most of the mammals live on land. Most of the mammals live on land. So, most of the mammals have well developed brain. They usually live on land, and they have hair on their body too. Okay, and mammals breathe through lungs. Okay, breathe through lungs. These are the features of mammals. Okay, they used to give birth and suckle with their own milk. They have well developed brain. Most of the mammals have hair on their body. Most of the mammals live on land, and last but not the least, most of the mammals or all the mammals breathe through lungs. Okay, now see, some mammals like dolphin is living in water, which already I told you when we have studied adaptations. Okay, when we have discussed the habitat and adaptations lesson, that time I told you already. Some mammal like dolphin and whale, they are fish. Okay, dolphin and whale used to live in water, though they used to breathe with the help of their lungs, but sometimes they come out of water and they used to breathe with the help of air, only. Okay, so mammals are dolphin and whale. They live in water. That's why they are called aquatic mammals. Okay, mammals like dolphin and whale they live in water, so they are called aquatic mammals. They used to breathe through their lungs only, but if they come out of the water, they even breathe in air. Generally, they breathe in water. We all know the process while we discuss the term adaptations of aquatic animals, right? So when they come up out of the surface of the water, they breathe in the air as well. So these are the features of mammals. Okay, these are the key features of mammals. You can identify whether the particular animal is mammal or egg-laying animals. Okay, now mammal used to take care of their young ones. Here this is very important. Until and unless the baby, the young one, is not completely grown up, they used to look after them. Their parents used to look after them. They used to look after their food. Okay, they used to look after their cleanliness, their hygiene and everything. Okay, and they are also protecting their young ones from enemies, from predators. So here mammals are having one more important features. They used to look after their child. They used to look after their young ones until and unless they are not completely grown up. Okay, so mammals are taken care of their babies for a long time, obviously, until and unless they used to not even walk with help of their own organs. They keep their babies clean and warm, obviously. Okay, they feed their babies with their own milk and they protect with their enemies too. Most of the mammals like fish, reptiles and insects do not take this kind of care of their young ones. While we discussing the egg-laying animals like fish, reptiles and other animals, they used to completely, they are just leaving them and they used to adapt with the situations and they used to survive in the particular area, in the particular nature. But here, mammals do take care of all the even small things for a long time for their babies until and unless they are not completely grown up. So these are the key features. These are the features of mammals. I hope you all have understood it very well. Okay, let me recap it one more time. Mammals, we simply define the mammals or animals that give birth to their babies and suckle their babies with their own milk are called mammals. Okay, most of the mammals have a well-developed brain. Then they have hair on their body. Okay, most of the mammals live on land. Most of the mammals breathe through lungs and they do take care of their babies for a longer time. So these are the features of mammals. Hope you all are clear with it. Here we'll end up lesson number 3 of class 4. In the next video, I'll provide you the exercise part, the objective types of questions, and meanwhile, I'll send you the question answers of lesson number 2. So don't worry for that part. Keep in touch with studies. Stay home, stay happy, and most importantly, now come into the flow of studies and gain maximum knowledge as much as you can. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask anytime on my WhatsApp number, or even you can interact while having live sessions. Okay, thank you and have a great day.